Mi fambo de una kushe kushe audi body. Welcome to another vlog. It's great to see you guys. Today we're going to be talking about some grips that I've actually used and I think they're amazing. It's from a company called DELKIN, and there's this suction cup which is like a triple suction cup thing, and then there's also a vise. Very robust, well built, and they're very metallic in feel as well. Payload is about 12 pounds, and 12 pounds is kind of heavyweight considering that a big DSLR like Canon 1DX Mark II is about maybe 4 pounds or 4.5 pounds with a lens. That's with a battery and everything, so you should be able to manage a lot of stuff with that. When I was in LA, I was actually shooting a video for Silverstone, and we did a car scene where, you know, driving around LA, getting the palm trees, and I used this suction cup mount on the bonnet, and it handled really well considering as well I was using a very light camera anyway, so I had no problems at all. So this is the suction cup, very sturdy, 6-way adjustment, industrially made, I would say. Same as the vise, very versatile. You have your 1/4-20 on this side, so you can mount your camera or a light. Anything that has a 1/4-20 should go here, and is also adjustable in different ways. And obviously you have the vise, which is also very strong. In New York, I dangled it over the lamp, and I was able to just get it at the tip of one of the lamp's nipply thing. Yeah, there was basically, the lamp had this teardrop thing at the end, and I was able to balance it and even do some experimental overhead shots with it when I just bought it. You can also clamp this on a car door if the window is open to get certain angles. In my last episode, I didn't even use the clamp because I didn't really feel the need to use it, but I actually used this vise, and I was able to just like vise this up on the side handle of the passenger front seat, and it actually held well. So as a filmmaker, most likely you're going to have situations where you need a clamp to mount cameras in a car, or you need a vise to be able to get stuff hung in certain places, or even when you're doing basic filmmaking, these things could be very handy. Like the vise can actually be on a C-stand to just add another extension, or maybe you have a rig already set up and you just needed an extra arm to maybe put a screen or maybe put something. It's always just handy to have it around in your toolkit or in your camera bag, depending on what the situation is. I'll put links in the description below and you guys can check it out. Just a disclaimer, they're going to be affiliate links because, you know, that's how we YouTubers roll. You know, so support the channel, get it through the affiliate link, and that'll be great for me as well. So if you're looking for a suction clamp, I would definitely recommend this guy. I think it's amazing and it does the job really well. And same as the vise, it should hold a very hefty payload. The suction mount comes in 3 variations. You have the single, the double, and the triple, which is what I have. So obviously, according to how much suction cups you have, you're doubling the grip and the force. So if you're looking for something light, you know, a smaller camera, you can probably go for the 1. I actually have a GoPro one, which I used to mount my RX100 before, and it did the job quite well. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so this one is for the GoPro, and as far as holding a basic point and shoot is concerned, this will do the trick. But as soon as you start moving up to the weight level and you're having cameras where you're changing the lens, I would recommend something of a more heavier category like this one. So maybe you can get the dual suction cup if you're not looking for something too heavy, but if you want to really push the payload up to that 12, then I would advise you get the 3 suction cup one. So I'll leave the links in the description, check them out, get them, and this is a quick one. Peace out.